Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of Quick Guide, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use Upscale feature in Midjourney. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to use the Upscale, just simply open your Discord application, then after that go to the Midjourney bot. You will get these two options for upscale directly into any image generated by Midjourney. The first one is upscale, subtle, upscale, creative. Now what does subtle and creative means? The first one, subtle, means if you use subtle upscale feature, it will doubles the size of your image but keeps the details very similar to the original picture. And in the other hand, if you use upscale creative option, it will also doubles the size of your image, but it will add some new details to the image and make it more engaging. You can do experiments with this both in order to upscale your image. Now as you can see here, this is the original image, and now this one is subtle upscale, which looks pretty similar to the original image, and now this one is creative upscale, and you can clearly see the changed facial expressions in this image. This way the upscale will have effect into your photo, and you can use upscale to make your images more attractive. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.